Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this Redgear game controller to Google TV streamer 4K device. See, here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to Google TV streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is the power cable that is connected to PD in port of this USB hub. See, this is a Bluetooth receiver of this Redgear game controller. See, this is a USB Bluetooth receiver. So we need to connect this receiver to Google TV streamer 4K device. Let me connect this Bluetooth receiver to this USB hub. Okay, done. This is the final setup. So here you can see the Bluetooth receiver. Next we need to pair this Redgear game controller with this receiver. So for that we need to press and hold this home button. So let me press and hold this home button. Okay, paired. After that let me test. See, it's working. Okay, so this way we can connect this Redgear game controller to Google TV streamer. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.